Good morning, Year 8. Today we're going to look at those results that you got last lesson. So last lesson, you were using an animation to collect some results on how a spring changes length as you add masses to it. And you should have plotted your graph and you should have found that you get a straight line. Now that straight line means that the force and the extension are directly proportional. As you double the force, you're going to double the extension. Now what that means is if you have 2 newtons, all right, and the extension is 2 centimeters, and you go to 4 newtons, the extension will now be 4 centimeters. You double one and then you're going to double the other. This is really important because we often use springs in things like balances, and it means that if we know how the spring changes length with different forces, we can actually use it to work out the mass on something. So for example, imagine that this scale here is 1 centimeter, 2 centimeters, 3 centimeters, 4 centimeters, and 5 centimeters. If we found that a mass ended up being 3.5, 1, 2, 3.5 centimeters long, we could use the line of best fit to measure across and then measure down, and it would tell us what the force is, which basically means we could know what the weight of the object is, because weight is a type of force. Okay, so this only works up to a certain point. So you can see on this graph here there's a number that's labelled P, and that means that it's only directly proportional until the force is reached here. And then over that length it doesn't stretch in the same straight line anymore, so it's no longer directly proportional. So at this point here, this straight line here going through naught, I know my line's not straight, but that straight line there, that is where it is directly proportional, and then over that point P it's no longer directly proportional. And we say that the spring has passed its elastic limit. So at P it passed its elastic limit. Alright, so what I want you to do, I've attached the textbook pages. I want you to read pages 22 and 23, and then I just want you to do question 1 and question 2 and submit those to show my homework. The extension today is to see if you can actually do an investigation using elastic bands. Now elastic bands don't follow Hooke's law, so you should find that instead of a straight line you actually get a curve. Okay, have a good day. Bye bye.